In this video, we'll be showing you how to use a snowblower. The first step is to make sure you have a full tank of gas. I would recommend checking the owner's manual to see what gas you need. For this one, we need 50 parts gas, 1 part oil. The next step is to prime the engine. Ours requires it to be primed twice. This is going to push gasoline into the carburetor getting ready to start. Then we will flip our key onto the on position. Next is to make sure that our choke is turned on. As we can see, we'll move the choke all the way into the on position. This is going to allow more gasoline to flow into the carburetor in order for it to start quickly. Now, grab your pull handle and give it a crank, and that should get the motor going. With the engine now running, we can begin to turn our choke off. So we'll drop it down to the middle position, give it a little bit, and then we will finally move it one more position over and turn it completely off. In operating the snowblower, it's important to be able to change the direction of where your snow is going. This little lever here will allow you to adjust the arm that blows the snow. As you can see, it moves the direction depending on if you pull it up or down. This lever here is going to adjust the pitch at which the snow is going to be thrown. This bar right here is very important, as when you pull the bar completely, that is going to begin pushing snow through the machine. It's going to get the auger turning, thus allowing it to start shooting out. Okay, with that rundown, you are now ready to begin using your snowblower. Operating it is very simple. Just hold that lever down and push the snowblower into the snow you desire to remove. I would recommend keeping the arm at a consistent angle, as that way you are continuously pushing the snow in one direction rather than spreading it all over the place. As you can see here, we just push it off to the side of the driveway and it cleans up very nicely. Now, when you are done using the snowblower, all you need to do is just take your little key and turn it into the off position. That will cut the power to the engine, and then you are ready to put it away. That is how you use a snowblower. Thanks for watching.